Today we are going to learn about the name of zoo animals. It's monkey, it's camel, it's deer, it's bear, it's lion, it's giraffe, it's tiger, it's panda, it's elephant. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.